everybody, Pandi here. Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back to the channel. And Happy New Year if I haven't seen you yet in 2021. You all, I am popping on today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, with another wig review / wig unboxing. And this one is going to be a little different. It is actually a braided wig. So over here, for the most part, guys, my channel is based on hair, of course, natural hair, but really my love for wigs. I am a newly transitioned naturalista. I would say I have trimmed out most of the chemical relaxer from my hair probably a little over 11 years ago, and I've been slowly and gradually transitioning back to my natural roots. However, at 46 years old, I rarely wear my natural hair out just because it's more convenient and conducive to the humid conditions that I live in to always throw a wig on and go. However, as a former licensed cosmetologist, I do still take very good care of my natural hair and be sure to treat my hair while it's under the wigs. I just love the versatility and the styling options that come along with wigs. Yet, in these fall and winter months, I can still maintain the health of my natural locks. So, as you can see, there's a little gray up in there. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair last week, so I've been wearing a twist out for about a week and a half now, which is rare for me. Usually it gets about 3 to 4 days and then I'm back under a wig. But I wanted to kind of let my hair breathe because it had been braided up underneath my wigs for about 3 weeks. And it was very dry, it was very dehydrated, and it lacked moisture. So I went on ahead and gave myself a nice conditioning treatment last night. But I always got wigs on standby. And I thought, you know what, let me try out that braided wig that I got. So I ordered this wig from, I think I got this wig from Freetress. And this is going to be a little bit different from my natural, normal wig review and unboxing videos. I'm going to kind of just be talking to you guys throughout this video and just chatting with you as I alter and customize and manipulate the wig to fit my desired liking. I'm hoping it's big head friendly because usually that's the issue with braided wigs, but we shall see. Alright, so thank you guys so much for taking a moment to click on this video. I hope you enjoy what you see. If you do, please don't hesitate to blow dry on that like button. And as I always say, go ahead and hit that subscribe. It is free 99, it didn't cost you anything. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bring old girl up into view. My good old trusty bust here. I do have a few supplies on standby, and I'm gonna just chat with you all as I customize this unit. So again, I'm Pandi. Nice to meet you. Welcome, and I hope to see more of you. So right now, because I don't want to mess up this beautiful new bust that I've got, this is more for like when I am showcasing wigs that I'm gonna sell. I am going to cover it up really quick with just an old plastic shower cap because I don't want it to get messed up. Okay, so I am putting plastic on it. I also am taking one of these old nude stocking caps. And because this nude is not conducive to my skin color or the color of my scalp, I am going to place that on the bust. head, as you can see there. And what I'm going to do really quick before we get into the details on this wig, I got some good old cheap Black Radiance liquid foundation. No need to spend money on expensive foundation for these type of projects. Just showing y'all some of the tricks and hacks that I use. A lot of people ask me, well, how do you get the scalp on your wigs to look so natural? I'm sharing a hack with you right now. I like when I see my sisters that do rock wigs and their wig is together. Like, please don't come outside with a wig and your part is totally invisible, like non-existent. Please don't do that. Like, these wig companies have stepped the game up with these wigs that it's just not even necessary to play yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can totally get away with rocking a wig and no one will be none the wiser. Unless you were to go ahead and share it with them, which I have no problem with doing because I just love wigs. And like I said, I do tend to wear my natural hair out. So, you know, people know what my natural hair looks like. Now, in my natural real life though, most people do know that I'm a former licensed hairdresser. So they're used to seeing me do all kind of wild and crazy things with my hair. So it doesn't come as a surprise. So, on the day that I am filming this, it is Thursday, January 21st, which means yesterday was the 2021 presidential, vice presidential inauguration here in the United States. So we now have a new commander-in-chief, as well as a new VP. And I'll start with the VP. Our new VP elect happens to be what we like to call a double minority. She is a woman. Notice I said she. She is a woman, and she's also a minority. So she's a double minority. She is the first woman vice president in the United States. She is also a HBCU alum and graduate. And so it's pretty big. It's pretty big. It's pretty historical and monumental. A lot of her colleagues and HBCU attendees and graduates are super stoked right now. They're super excited because she is one of them. I believe they call themselves the Divine Nine. So it's pretty exciting, guys. Kamala Harris is our new vice president-elect here in the U.S. So as you can see, guys, I've just gone on and just lightly tapped right in that front crown area. It's not necessary to do the whole wig. You could have also taken some brown food coloring, swirled it around in a bowl, dipped your stocking cap in it, and let it air dry on your mannequin head, and go on ahead and tint the whole thing. Especially if you were going to be dealing with like a human haired wig where you could part it all kind of ways, then you would want the whole stocking cap to be, you know, scalp color. But in this instance, this is a synthetic wig, so it's not necessary to do the whole thing. And if I need to add more color to it, I will go back and do that. Alright, just showing y'all these simple hacks. So, getting into the wig. This is from the Freetress Equal Premium Luxury Integration Braided Lace Wig Unit. Okay? That was a lot of words. It is the braided lace wig in the style long box braids. I have it in the color 1B, which is your traditional natural black or off black. Okay? It was on sale. I want to say I paid $49, and it was regularly like $69 or $79. This is like my third synthetic braided unit that I've purchased. They're usually pretty expensive. I think the most I paid for one was like 60 or 70 bucks. And when you think about it, I know when I used to go and get my hair braided at the African braid shop, you're gonna spend about $200 to $300 getting your hair in any kind of micros. Even for traditional box braids like this, you're gonna run on a low end about 80 bucks. 80 to 100 bucks. Because of the time that goes into it. Now, as I said, I'm a woman of a particular age, so I don't have the time or the patience to sit up in no braid shop for hours or half the day to get my hair braided. And I'm tender-headed. So I just don't even want them Africans catching my little kitchen area and baby hairs. I can't do it. I did it for many years and I just can't do it. So when they started coming out with these braided wigs, it was truly a blessing for people like myself. So just had to cut it out of the packaging. I am going to look at the stock card first and see what type of information they have on here for us. So here is the stock card, and y'all don't come for my nails. I ain't been to nobody's nail shop. That is the stock card. The back is just simple care instructions. It basically talks about how to take care of the wig. And then there was this other little card. So definitely they did not include a lot of information on the stock card. But as you can see, it's a middle part. Okay? And just a little simple style. Nothing major, nothing outlandish. The last box braid wig I had, it had a little bit more flexibility. It didn't have like a defined part. So right out of the bag, look at that parting space, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? The braids look nice and neat. The parting space looks good. I think it's 18 to 20 inches long. So far, the only thing that I can see right now that I'm kind of side-eyeing is the ends. The ends look like they're not all uniform. They're all kind of different sizes going on. But that's cool because the length is not going to be that noticeable. Okay? So here is the braid the wig out of the packaging. Those braids look good. They look good. It's very long. Okay. Alright. Oh wow, they got, oh wow, okay. So again, it's from the Freetress Equal line. You know, they are one of the industry's leaders in your wigs. If you're a wiggy like myself, you know Freetress Equal does come through. Now I've noticed this. A lot of the synthetic wig companies are adding the elastic band already sewn into the wig. That is a blessing because that secures the wig flat onto your head, okay? So it's secure, it ain't going nowhere. You don't have to worry about bobby pinning and all that old crazy stuff. So here is the inside. It is a very stretchy, it's very stretchy mesh cap. You got your two elastic bands at the nape, so you can even have double security. Then of course you got your standard combs at the temple area. And as you can see, you got your little tinted lace under there. And of course it comes with baby hairs. Now I really like the detail that they took in this wig. It's very pretty from what I see so far. That's still a little wet, but you should be okay. Y'all see what I'm saying? You got your baby hairs there at the front, but look how nice and neat that looks. You can't tell me that you ain't been sitting up in the braid shop all day getting hooked up by Kumba and them. Okay, Kumba them done hooked you up. They done straight up hooked you up, girl. Yes. Alright, y'all, so y'all already know what your girl's finna do. I'm finna cut this lace off, and I'm about to throw that stocking cap on, and I'm gonna go see what she giving. We gonna try her on, and we gonna come back, and we gonna give you our first impression along with my final thoughts. And you all drop down in the comments and let me know what you think about this unit from Freetress Equal. See you in a bit. Alright, y'all. I'm back. She is cute, y'all. She is real cute. Now, I didn't lay all the baby hairs down. I only laid the ones in the middle. I didn't want to glue it all down. But y'all, can we talk about instant style? And keep in mind, I got a bunch of thick braids underneath. So if my hair was like really cornrowed all the way straight back, flat, this wig is gonna be everything. And I got some braid jewelry. You can like totally pin some up, do like a little semi updo, or you can pull it all back. I am loving it. I say my $49 is well spent. And look at the detail. Look at the detail on those braids, y'all. I did pop a little bit of pressed powder into the parting space, and I just took some gel and kind of swooped the baby hairs down for the sake of this video. But y'all, I am thoroughly impressed, And like I was saying, you see the ends, what I'm gonna do, because they look kind of tattered and raggedy and they're kind of all over the place. I am gonna do the old school trick like they do in the African braid shop. Dip these in some hot water. That'll tame it all down. I'm gonna boil a pot of hot water and dip these braids, the ends of these braids, and get them all smoothed on down. But oh yeah, boo, I just found me a cute little braid wig for the fall. You all, again, this is the Freetress Equal Premium Braided Long Box Braids Wig. Get all the way into it, baby. She cute. She cute. Thank y'all so much for watching. I am Pandi, Candy's Hair Candy, and more. If you have enjoyed this video, definitely drop down in the comments below and let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried one of these units out? Have you tried a braided wig? Period. I'm telling you guys, they come in handy for these instant styles. Like, I want to keep my hair braided, twisted, because that's a protective style. So I'm gonna do it, and I can totally wear this to work and still look very well put together with a nice braided style. You all, thank you so much for watching. If you have not hit the thumbs up, don't forget to blow down that like button. And if you really enjoyed this commentary, go ahead and subscribe. It is free $99. It is free $99. Until next time, guys, you all stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.